The area of the house is approximately 2500 square feet. It is located in Model Colony, Pune. The design of this house is a blend of two contrasting design principles, minimalism and bohemian aesthetics. This space represents the harmonious relationship between opposites. With the use of a rich navy blue, fresh green and bright yellow, the interiors embody both simplicity and spontaneity. We have tried to make a space that is visual in its minimalism but tactile in its bohemian spirit. The clean lines are put into relief by the quirky and interesting textures that run through them. Design for us is compassion. Design is not possible without empathy and compassion. The design must respond to the needs of its users, and we cannot understand these needs without harboring a sense of empathy. We listen before we act. We try to infuse compassion into the entire design process.
Our favorite area in the house is the minimalistic master bedroom. It's designed to be an all-in-one space for sleeping, exercising, praying and working. The space is all gleaming marble, clean lines and minimalist furniture. The piece of furniture that attracts your eye immediately is the desk. It's designed to look as if it is carried on clean white waves, which then blends into the deck and flows on towards the bed, as if in a long and meandering walk. This was made in accordance with the specifications of the client, who wanted minimalist lines softened by a creatively designed flow.
The sumptuous blue and yellow colors blending with patterns like herringbone and arches allowed us as designers to bring forward the client's contrasting personalities. The bold yet rooted color scheme is an intentional choice to exhibit the client's confident yet down-to-earth persona.
What excites us most about the design is that it's simultaneously an intimate fortress and a bright open space, a blue and yellow convergence of minimalism and bohemian charm, a space which takes the yin and the yang and effortlessly holds it in balance.
When you look for it, there is nothing to see. When you listen for it, there is nothing to hear. When you use it, it is inexhaustible. This is our favorite Taoism quote that resonates with the design of the house.